Good morning, folks, and welcome to the Pre-Market Insight, January 24th, 2020. Let's go. Folks, I'm telling you, we are living in an incredible time to be alive and to be both a student and a market participant in this current cycle of market and price action. Yesterday, we began talking about the fact that you should not necessarily feel very frustrated about your underperformance when the market is hitting all-time highs, given the fact that it has not done so in one straight shot to the moon. Rather, it has ground higher, and in fact, it has frustrated to some extent both bears and bulls. While for some time bears have been getting their tails handed to them, there have been very few sharp instances where they have roared and reared their heads, and it has always been keeping bulls on their toes, even as we have what we know and call our V reversals. There are several of them in this profile. So as you can see, we were talking about the fact that we have broadening formations happening in the S&P 500, which means a series of higher highs and lower lows on the intermediate time frame. This is a 4-hour chart, and that keeps both bulls and bears engaged, but no one really feeling like they're winning the battle. No one really feeling like they have the upper hand convincingly. No real conviction. And so Yesterday we came into this session and we were talking about the fact that having made that higher high at all-time highs at 33.37 and began selling off into 33.20, that we should be mindful for 33.14, 33.09, and even 33.04 coming into play. So said, so done. We opened, had a very weak open, very mild open. We came down very quickly within the first hour to touch that 3300, 3304 level, and then essentially we trended all day after that. Very convincing bounce on the years, which I'm sure made a lot of people happy who were able to get in and hold their position until the end of the day. So, what can we expect today? Keep it simple, smarty. There's no need again on Friday on option expiration to get to brave or cavalier one way or the other. Preserve your profits, preserve financial, mental, and emotional capital, so we can go into next week and to February having booked the gains that we made and looking forward to what is to come in terms of what market will present. Be safe out there today, guys.